Hi everyone, this is Rod, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso that I promotes only information that can value or added value to your life. Now, recently I just realized that I have a talked with a person na hindi niya na-realize na in later on may ganun pala in his life. So, yung katotohanan sa buhay natin kasi is ito yung mga bagay na hindi natuturo sa school. Kahit nga sa family hindi to nadidiscuss kumbaga. Na pag dumating yung time na hindi ka na nag-work, well of course hindi ka na nagkakaroon ng profit or earning. Wala nang pumapasok sa iyo, diba, na money. However, ayun nga, hindi naman natitigil din yung gastos natin. Kahit na tumigil tayo sa pag-work, we eat, ayan, diba? We pay bills, kumbaga. So, you are in the part of millennial, katulad ko. So, most probably you start earning. Yung iba talaga, maagang-maaga pa. Wala pa nga siguro sabihin na natin 18, nagkakaroon na ng mga side hustles, no? So, usually yung age is 18 and above. And then the concrete talaga is 20 years old, no? Well, most of us will gonna retire at 60, 65. Somehow they are taking this kind of early retirement pa nga daw. Sinasabi nila na it will lessen the years na kasi due to the lifestyle and the ginagawa natin everyday, how we eat, like those. And most of us will gonna have remaining years, diba? Like 20, 35, 45 years in this earth, diba? So, let's imagine, somehow, mga 18 to 60 years old, that's just a 42 years para, kumbaga, spend yung pinaka-life natin in working, to save, yan, and to maximize and utilize, diba? Time and energy to create money for you to spend in the days of hindi ka na nag-work. So, just imagine if you are in 60, 70, 80, and 90, if you don't have a retirement fund, and that time, hindi ka na syempre nakakapag-work, wala ka ng work. So, most probably, you spend na, more on spending na wala nang pumapasok. Diba? So, if hindi nakapag-prepare for that, paano na lang? Oh my God. Yun na lang yung iisipin mo na lang. So, I might say, ayan, mas malaki pa yung magiging gastos o spend natin kasi we get older, we need to take a medicine, maintenance, monitoring, laboratories, and check-ups. So, those are the things that you can added na by the time of your age at the reach of 60s, 70s, and 80s nga. And it hits more, kumbaga, if you have a habit right now na like, hindi mo tinitake care of yourself and you have a bisyo pa. So, let's say, mas higher yung sinasabi nating chances for you to have a medications when you get older. Tapos, added pa dito is that the price of the items kasi yung mga basic needs natin, in terms of inflation, tumataas yung halaga nila. So, the price, tataas at tataas talaga. So, if you are not preparing somehow or you're not moving an action as of the moment for the retirement, regardless naman yan kung how much yung earning mo ngayon It's not that mas malaki si ganito, mas malaki yung ganyan, maliit lang yung akin. We're not comparing that. The important is you need to make an action starting right now and then dun kasi if you move an action kasi continuously na yan may iipon mo na siya because if you did not prepare by the time you age up to 60 in your senior age, it will be, sabihin na natin, mahihirapan ka to sustain your needs and the basic needs you needed. Kasi by this age, less na yung capabilities for yourself to work, kumbaga. Lesser na rin yung time, energy, perhaps. Kasi hindi na katulad nung bata-bata yung katawan mo. So ayun, you need to prepare. You need to prepare.